In this video, I will show you how to use TurboLearn AI for notes and summaries. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open TurboLearn AI. So you'll get redirected to the dashboard. So in here, you can go ahead and create new notes by recording or uploading the audio of your lecture. You can also create new notes by entering the YouTube video and uploading the document of the files that you want to create notes for. So for example, I want to create notes based on a YouTube video. I'll simply enter the link of that YouTube video from there, and then TurboLearn AI will generate the notes for me. So this will load. So once this is done loading, you'll be able to find the notes based on the YouTube video link that I've entered. So you can go ahead and create a quiz from that note. So in here, you can go ahead and test yourself using the quiz that TurboLearn AI has generated for you. So you can go ahead and try this out. So another thing you can do with your notes is to go ahead and create flashcards. So if you're used to using flashcards for reviewing, you can go ahead and create flashcards from this notes by clicking on that flashcard button, and TurboLearn AI will automatically generate flashcards for you. Now, the last thing you can do is to go ahead and create a podcast from your notes. So you can go ahead and select the podcast language, the podcast speaker, the podcast length, and include special instructions depending on your preferred audio podcast that you want from your notes. So if you actually prefer listening to your notes rather than reading or taking a quiz or using flashcards, this is an option for you. And that's basically how you can use TurboLearn AI for notes and summaries.